Well, this trip takes me to Corleone. It's a cute town 600 meters above sea level south of Palermo with 10,000 inhabitants. I didn't say to anyone I was going because people worry, but it was one of the friendliest places in Sicily I visited because many inhabitants, they do so much to show a positive side of Corleone and want to wipe out the dark history this town is famous about. And just attention, if you go in with car, the old part of the town has really narrow roads, so it's a little bit tricky to drive there. The highlight is of course the Mafia Museum. It is small, but the story is big. Corleone, a place where most mafia bosses comes from, like Rina, Provenzano, and the museum holds 25% of the Maxi Trial documents, a 6-year-long trial against Sicilian Mafia where 338 people were convicted, mostly thanks to so-called pentiti and rat boss Buscetta, who was the key witness. Leading characters to push trials were Giovanni Falcone and Paolo Borsellino, both murdered by Cosa Nostra amongst also their bodyguards. There are other rooms I did not want to film due to respect for those who Mafia killed, rooms giving the chills, but a must visit. I put the link below to the Maxi Trial. I will not comment much about the Mafia because whatever one says, it's always wrong. And also please avoid asking Sicilians about they are so tired of it. So I live here, and do the Mafia exist? Yes, but not as before in your backyard. Today Mafia is everywhere.